Hello, Christina and Scott. I hope this video finds you doing well. As usual, I'm going to speak quickly, and I just thought it'd be easier again to show you on the video, so that way I'm not trying to explain stuff, but you can see it and then play it back if, in case I say something not clearly. But with that being said, here is your website currently, and so when you end up logging in, and you guys have access to that, Scott. Yeah, I did set you up a username and password, so you're able to log in. And then what I was showing you here on this current site is that when you go to like your all products as an example, so wait for this to load, it takes a minute. You've got your products, these are all the ones that have been entered so far. There's a total of 41 so far. You can see each of them have been assigned a category or categories, because you can assign more than one category. And you do this individually. And then when you click on them, you can see that there's actually photos associated with them. So we'll wait for this to come up. CD Distillery, vegan gummies. Okay, here this is. And then here is the text, the description that somebody entered in. And I'm assuming it's Tommy. And this is what I was saying to you guys. I don't have this information. I don't know. This is stuff that you guys would enter in, not me. I don't have this information. And I would not know where to associate this information with these gummies. It would be much easier for you all, as an example, if you had watched, when you have a chance to watch some of the other videos. And this is where you do the categories. So whoever entered this in, Tommy probably, or Beth, when they put a title, they entered a description, and then they went over and clicked a category. They chose to click only one category. They could have possibly chose more than one category. So when people search for it by category, it would show up. And then here is where they did the product image, and that shows up right here. And the reason why I'm showing you that is because then if you go to the media library, so that's for the product. Now, when I go to the media library, you'll see these similar, the photos that could be linked to a product or become part of a product, or images of a product, but they're not the same thing. So when I click the image here, then again, Tommy looks like he did it here. I can see updated by Tommy. He gave it a title. He gave it alternative text. He gave it, and I can explain that later if you're interested. He gave it a title, and then he gave it a description. And this is different than the product that we just looked at. This is a media library. We're in the media library now, and these are just images that could eventually be associated with the particular product. Now, here's a dog treat. So I want to show you. Here's an example. So the dog treat title here, alternative text, a description. That's great. Now, what's happening where I've been running into a slight problem, and what I explained to you guys, I can't do what you're asking me to do. You're going to have to find somebody else. Here is your new site. And so when I go here and I go to my dashboard, and again, I think you guys have access to that. If not, I'll get you access right away. I meant to get you access. But when I go here as an example, when I want to enter the product, I go all products. I'm sorry, I should have gone add new. So just give me a second. Well, you can see what's here right now. There's almost no products, and the categories are assigned here, but these are for stuff that's not yours. So I'm going to go add new, and hopefully this will load quickly. And okay, so now here's the new product. So let's do I don't even know the name of a title. Let's just do CBD oil or pet treats. Okay, now when I go to get the photo for this, what happens is I've got a number one. You have to find it. Okay, it's not here right now. Okay, because it's not been uploaded to the media library. No problem. You or I could quickly upload it by going here, upload files, and then click select file. And now I'm going to go over to where Christina had sent me, or Christina and Scott in March, this folder that I created. Probably won't have a picture of the dog treats. But what I wanted to show you, for the purpose of getting my point across, is that this is a screenshot that Scott, probably you sent to me, because it's called screenshot 202. And here's, again, another screenshot 202 with all the other numbers. Here's one that I think Scott, I don't know if yes, you did send these to me, messages. So I have no idea what this is a picture of. Is it obviously, I don't know, are you showing products here, or is this just for general display? But then when I click here, as an example, screenshot. So there's a CBD oil. So now I have to figure out the title, CBD oil. I have to type that in, and then I have to look, see, okay, 1,000 milligrams. and then I've got to come up with a description that I don't have. But this I can see clearly, which again, I don't want to look at every photo to read what it is because it should already be labeled. But here's an example here. I don't know what these are. Are these all edibles? This has CBD oil. I don't think you eat edibles or oil, I don't think. These are gummies. I can figure out these you do eat. But the reason I'm saying that is that the title here is screenshot. And so when I go to upload it, and I just uploaded it here, it's still uploading. Give it one more second. There it is right now. Now there's no alternative text. So I'm not sure what alternative text I would type here. CBD oils, gummies, again, this would be you guys knowing what your products are. Screenshot, that's not a good title. It's useless. It doesn't help your business. We want to promote your products. We want to promote, your services, whatever you're doing. So we want a good title for what the image is. And then we want a description. And Scott, you were saying, can't I just get it from the original vendor? Man, I could, but you can too. You could do a lot quicker and easier and match up what you're looking for and that type of stuff, to do a copy and paste. But for me now to say, okay, I've got this is CBD oil. Now, who's the vendor? I've got to give it a title and now get a description. Where? How do I do that? So that the point is that I click insert product. Here it is here. And this isn't where it would end up going. I would end up typing stuff in. This actually would end up going down here for select product image. And then I would have gone to my media library here and then grabbed it here, load it, load more photos. And then I have to find other ones that match. Anyway, the reason why I'm saying that to you is that what's happening is that, Scott, when you guys are sending me images and photos and stuff like that, I'm putting them, I download them, and I put them into a folder. And the folder that I have, I hope I can find the thing. Oh my God, it should be on my desktop. Christina, March 2022. I see these, but that's not what I'm looking for. But for the purpose of this, I'll show you here. This is what shows up in the folder. So you can see here, this is what I was saying. This is the title that I'm getting. So I have to figure out what is this? Here's a screenshot. What is this? And okay, pet products or edibles, or what's the name of it, and where's the pet description? So it would be much quicker and easier. Again, I can show you guys how to do it. Is that for you all, for each of them, the store manager, whether it's Tommy or Beth or you, or because I'm not the store manager, is for you guys to be able to go to. Here's the site 206. This is the one you're working on. So you would go to first load up your media library. So you go to your media. I'm going to leave the page. And I could have clicked on add new, but then, okay, so here's the media library. This is what's currently in there, 38 photos. I want to add something new. So you guys would add something new. You would go to add new, you go to select file, you go to your desktop or wherever. Here's this folder that I was looking for, with wherever you've put your photos and then your images. And then what you want to do before you do this is, you want to go and do a right mouse click as an example. This is one way to name them, and you could rename it, flower, lemon haze or whatever. 8-ball or something. I don't know what the packaging is there, but that's one way to do it. Or as you guys just upload these. So 1, 2, I just now highlighted all these. I held down my, I clicked it and then held down the shift key, went to here. Now I'm going to upload all of these at one time. So now these are coming into the media library. And this is the quickest things for you all to do as a store manager, the store owner. Put your stuff into the media library. Now we've actually put in nonsensical titles that don't help for organization. This would be like somebody dropping off packages, boxes of products at your beautiful, it looks like a very nice shop that you have there, but the stuff isn't labeled and there's no packaging label. So you're opening up each product, trying to find out what is this. Now I've got to give it a name, and I've got to give it figure out where am I going to put it in, what category am I going to put in the store, and then I got to give it a description. So, okay, as this loads, and this is just going to keep doing this for another minute or so, this is an example. This is one I just loaded. I just uploaded. You can see uploaded by Mark. And so what you do is go ahead, give it some alternative text. I don't know what these are. Gelato. This must be edibles, right? Gelato? No. Look, they may be vape pens. I'm not sure what these are. So this is an example. Like you guys might put Gelato delicious. And then, this is the title. So this is not a good title. So, multiple flavor, vape, pen, CBD, and THC. I don't think you guys are selling that yet, but in case you do get to that point. You don't need a caption. You probably don't want a caption because you're not going to use those, but you do want a description. And I don't know a great description. You'd want to type one sentence, two sentences. If you can think of three, that's even better because Google and Bing and Yahoo will index. They'll record every word that you type in and associate it. So if you say, cherry, lemon, lime, orange, blah, 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 gelato flavored vape pens, and somebody searches for one of those, then at least you've got a possibility of you guys showing up. So this is here, and then I go to the next thing. It automatically saves it. You don't have to click save. Here's the next one. I'm not sure what these are. These look like capsules and ointment. So, you would type in, natural needs, capsules and ointments. Give it a good title. I don't know what they are. OPMS capsules. And then give it a nice description. And then go to the next one. And so this is how you add, this is value for you, the customer, the search engines to help you guys rank and beat your competitors. Now, the other thing that I was showing, so this is getting them stuff in the media library. But then when you go to create your product, so here I am here, where are my products? Here's products, hit add new. And now, because all we did was just create, we just edited the image. So then you want to create the product. So, let's do this. Gelato pens, flavored pens. Flavored, I speak English sometimes, flavored pens. Okay. So, you do your description, and again, Scott, you go to your vendor. I don't know where you get your descriptions or come up with it yourself, add some words, some pizzazz. I don't know, tastes great, smokes well, whatever you'd end up saying. And then you put your category. I think that the vape pens would not be edible. They would be merchandise. They would be maybe uncategorized, and they would be vape pens. I don't think that they'd fall in these other categories. But you could add a new category, bath bombs or health products or bathroom, whatever. The title would be for a category. And then hit enter. Come on, hit add category. Okay, there it is right there, bath bombs. So I added that in, even though vape pens are not bath bombs, so I'm going to delete that or uncheck it. And then I go down here. Now this is where I'd end up adding my product image. So set product image. And so I go to my media library. And where are those vape pens I just did? Oh, come on. Somewhere around here. Here we go. Maybe. This might be it. So I'm going to add here vape pens gelato, delicious. This is it. And now it's got a good title. And I did not put a description. So I go ahead. Now that's for the image. Again, that's only for the image. And now it's going in for the product, but we haven't finished adding information about the product. So you can see right here, here's the product, the description that product has is provide a meta description by editing the snippet, blah, blah. Well, that's right here. And I added this tool in for you guys. This is a great tool, Yoast SEO, to help you, your store manager, to improve your search engine ranking. So you use this tool that I added for you to add a nice meta description. So here it is right here. This is in another video. Gelato flavored pens at natural needs and remedies and Bristol at great prices. Well, that's not very good. I mean, it's okay. You want to add, something that's good. 1, 2, 3 sentences. You can't go that many, and this will keep moving across as you go. And as long as you get this in now green, okay, that's great. That's what the search engines are looking for. Once you get up to the point where you're getting too many, they'll turn red. And basically now, 1 second here. Now it's basically, it's not that it's not that it's useless, but it's not that it's helpful. You've lost any more. It's not going to be a big value to you. But keeping it in the green would have been just fine. So then you end up there, and basically, you could add more photos of the same of the gelato pens. So this could be into the gallery. So these are all gelato pens, and then click add to gallery. And now these photos, these images are not products. These are images of the product. But this is the product. Here, add new product. These are images of the product. So it sounds like I'm trying to help you. I mean, this is, and then the other thing here, again, this is a tool that's very important. Your focus key phrase. These are the key words. So gelato vape pens. or something like that. 3 words, 2 words, 1 word sometimes. But something right here. And again, you think it's useless. It's not. This is valuable. This is helpful to you guys. This is what will help your store. If you don't do it, you're going to have a store, but this isn't helping. You're not going to beat the competition. You're not going to rank as well. So anyway, and then you hit publish. And we've just created a product called gelato flavored pens. Now, we don't have this appearing anywhere on the site. I guess it would show up under all products. But I don't know that we've separated a place on this 206 for it to appear under featured or elsewhere. But it is showing up. If I go to products, all products, you'll see it here in a second. Gelato flavored vape pens in stock. Here's the categories. I could have made it featured. And it shows I've got, some good color here. At least it's okay. And because it ties in with your search engine optimization stuff, SEO score, and readability. So that's all good. So anyway, I'm trying to help you. So I'll be quiet. This has gone way too long. Thank you for hanging in there and watching this. But this is where I'm running into a stopgap because I can't create products. If I can help you guys build your store, but you guys got to, create the products and categorize the products and add descriptions for the products and titles for the products. And then I can help you build your store. Or you can have somebody else do it. I understand, whatever you want to do. So, but I know what I just told you is helpful. I mean, people would pay me for that. I mean, that's helpful, valuable information. It's not a bunch of crap. It's straight, great information. And a lot of people may not know that, the website designers, they just don't understand. They don't know. But now you do. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.